Hello guys, welcome back to another video. In this short tutorial, I will discuss about if you are facing any kind of error about WhatsApp voice messages on your mobile. So how can I fix? So guys, keep watching this video until the end. So guys, first of all, tap on WhatsApp long press. Here you can see long press on WhatsApp and now tap on app info and here's the interface. So guys, tap on permissions and now guys make sure all the necessary permissions must be allowed from here. So allow step by step. Here make sure microphone and storage allowed from here, and next method is go back from here and tap on storage and cache. Here's the interface and clear cache from here, and simply close the WhatsApp application setting application, and once time you restart your mobile. So I hope this video helpful for you. So guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel for the latest more updates.